This is revolutionary, and it's going to help a lot of people. To tell you the truth, man, even after you got me back on here and got me to looking at getting back into the trading, man, even those first couple days, it was still I was sitting there on the live and I'm looking at it, I'm like, but you know what ended up happening about that third day is with the way you teach and the way I was able to digest it, ended up started looking like a video game. And it was just it's like, okay, now I just know the rules of the game. Okay, I'm looking for certain things. Now I've got it. Now it's well, not got it, but it clicks in my brain now. So that was the overall thing. And I didn't want to take up too much time of the class, but
Oh,
I just
bro,
wanted to
you're
let you
good.
know that was that's what makes this crazy. A
Yeah,
great a,
bro.
a great thing.
Absolutely. And I'm glad you said that, man, because that's one of the things that we picked up when we started in the beginning was like, man, we know these kids go play video games all day long, man, Fortnite and everything. So like I'm gonna give you inside scoop, like realistically, like for real, like when we teach, that's one of the things we hit on in the beginning. Because everybody and I use 2K, and this is more on the crypto side. Because everybody got VC, people play Call of Duty, they want to upgrade their weapons. I was like, yo, what if I can teach you to play this game and you earn VC, but it's worth money. You get to do whatever you want with it. And then I take them into a video game that you actually earn money playing the video game. We got a student in the Philippines. He, in less than a year, he started making more money playing that video game than his parents do working, right? So now he's 12 years old. So now he takes care of his whole family. Yeah, bro. And he's earning Ethereum.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
That is insane.
Yeah, bro.
Especially earning Ethereum.
He's earning Ethereum. I can show you the game too if you want. I'll show you the game later. Absolutely. Bro, and then like, bro, like even with so I do NFTs as well, right? So you remember when Tory Lanez dropped his album out?
Yes.
I bought it, bro. My partner's daughter bought that album for $1. She sold it for $50,000. 50,000, bro.
Jesus.
Yeah, bro. And I still have my
NFT.
Bro, I got 2 copies. I'm not letting them go. Like, and then like I can show you guys, like, bro, like there's so much I can just, man. So like on the so growing up, I was a huge fan of basketball, football. I'm still a fan, right? So you remember the playing cards we used to have? So
yeah,
there's an app where you get to buy digital moments. And it's on the blockchain. Bro, I have some. I'll show you. Bro, like oh man, I have to go back and look. They don't have MJ and AI. They got all current players. But bro, I got like I got a couple LeBron players, bro, like special moments getting it in, bro. You think it's not worth money, bro? And like you can buy
that's wild.
Bro, I'll show you when we're done. The packs be so cheap. Like you have to get, it's like buying Jordans. Like you have to get in line, so you're online, bro, and they pick people random to buy the stuff. Not only that, when you buy it, you can go right back on the market and resell it. You get money, they'll pay you right there. And once everything's verified, the money is in your account over there, bro. Like it's the moments are digital moments, right? So like real talk, like I got a TV here, right? I can literally play, let's just say the Jordan when they were playing the Utah Jazz and he hit over Bill Russell. Everybody say he swiped him, right? So that moment, I have that moment and I can display it on my TV, bro. And it's worth money. And it plays over and over. And then you can cycle through all the different ones. Bro, they brought out the Tom Brady's, the Venus and Serena Williams, they got the tennis, bro. I got a Wayne Gretzky, bro. Like stuff worth.
That's insane,
bro. That's a whole nother lane of capital.
Yeah. Sorry to anybody who may not understand the NFTs, but that what he just said is really like a crazy. It is really crazy. if you know anything about crypto and NFTs, you know that what he just said is extremely insane because they they generate lots of money. These are like literally like real life, well, digital items that you use on this new meta type
It's on
thing.
blockchain.
And
It's on the blockchain. So the best way to explain it to individuals, everybody knows about art. Art's worth money, right? But what if I told you I can give you the original Picasso painting as a digital art and it will be worth even more? So that's what these NFTs are. It's another way. So art is wealth. All the wealthy people put their money in art. You know, you got assets and liabilities. Assets is art. Art is assets. So with these NFTs, you can turn your NFTs into another asset, another stream of income that you have just sitting there. As it sit there, it accrues. It goes up and up. And bro, we didn't even talk about staking. Bro. Like most of the people, like they're getting these dividends. Everybody's talking about their dividends, their returns that they're getting back on their 401ks and raw and TSPs and all this other stuff. These bonds, like, bro, let me show you how to stake. Let me show you how to get a dividend on something that's paying back 10, 20% and higher. And then on top of that, they're giving you more of your asset. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's a whole different ball game.
Yeah, because they are definitely staking these this crypto out here and making.
Bro, I'm gonna give y'all a secret one. Polka dot. Dot, bro. Dot, bro. What? Okay. All right. Good morning, everybody. How you guys doing? I'm already recording. Today's gonna be a little bit different.
Hey, Coach.
Yeah, what's up?
Hey, was that what we're used to with those packages that we used to buy?
Absolutely.
The NBA packages?
Absolutely.
Okay. Yeah, I gotta go back because I got a bunch of them on.
Bro, you got some good ones. I'll buy them. What's up?
Remember, we had to get in line. We had to get a number and everything.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I gotta go check mine out. See what I still have in there.
Man, I'll buy them. Let me see who we got on the
some good ones too.
Hold on. Who said that?
I got me some moments.
Wait. I know that ain't my sis on here. I know that's not my sis.
I got my moment.
Is that Yolanda?
I got my moment.
I don't even
I got my top shots. Yeah.
Hey, we need to talk. Let's compare. Let's see what you got. Hey, you know what?
Okay.
We should actually, you and I should invite everybody on and then go buy some and open them up. I used to do pack opening
I want an open party.
Yo, let's do it. I'll go get some today. Like, what's up? We just do a revealing pack.
Oh, that'll be so much fun.
Oh man. All right, let's get to it. Good morning, everybody. Who we got on the call today? Let me see here. Let me move this. We got my girl Nelly back. Nelly is back, you guys.
Hey, Nelly.
I'm so happy to be back here with you guys. Oh my goodness, I miss you. I have no idea all the nuggets I've missed, but I'm glad to be back with you. Thank you.
Oh, it's good to have you. Keisha, Casey, Cassie. We got Rich, Yolanda.
Yep.
Lula. Bayon, James, Jason, Miss Nancy, Allison, Tim. What's going on, everybody? How y'all doing this morning? Y'all good to go?
We're good to go.
All right.
Good morning.
So today, did you guys see the schedule?
Yes, we did.
So today's a little bit different. Today I will be doing the 2-minute Dominator, and some of you guys have that strategy already, so I won't go over the settings. The ones who do not have it, I will go over how we utilize the 2-minute Dominator so you can actually see another strategy besides the reckoning. Cool?
Awesome sauce.
All right.
I'm driving.
All right. Oh, I might need to change strategies then. This class won't be long. All right, let's go ahead and get it. What up, world? What up, team? What up, family? It's your brother KOBK. Shush. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Y'all, I'm super excited today. Today, we're going to be diving into another strategy. One of the strategies that are on my website at www.kobksalute.com. Go over there, purchase your strategy, join in with me and our scholars Monday through Friday at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, the strategy we're going to be diving in today is called the 2-minute Dominator. Why is it called the 2-minute Dominator? It's called the 2-minute Dominator because today we will be taking trades for 2 minutes. Now, I know some of you guys are used to taking the 5-second trades, the 10-second trades. Look, everybody not built for that. Some people got high blood pressure and they be on the edge of their seat taking 5 and 10-second trades. So we're going to throttle back just a little bit. And I'm going to display to you guys how to use another one of my super powerful strategies that are embedded into the site and still be super successful with that. But prior to doing any of that, we have to do a few things. Thing that we do first is we're going to go over here and we're going to look at the Forex Factory. We're going to see what's going on with the news. You guys can just go to Google, type in forexfactory.com or just Forex Factory in Google and the URL forexfactory.com. It'll bring you to this website. I'm going to go ahead and click here to refresh the page. And this is where you're going to look at the current status of the currencies globally. We're going to be able to see what's being impacted. Now, the way I break this down for individuals, if you've been on this class, you already know, but real quick, red folders, stay away from them. If you don't know how to trade a red folder, stay away. You'll more than likely lose your money. Yellow folders are low impact news. You can trade those. And then orange is medium impact news. So you can trade that currency as well. But the red, definitely stay away. You can tell which currency is being affected by right here. If you look under the tab, it says currency. So you know which one to stay away from or which pair to actually trade. And then here's your time and the day, which is being affected. So EUR all day today, all day, EUR has a red folder. So guess what? That's CPI. I will not be trading any EUR pairs unless it's by accident. Then over here, you got your forecast, previous, and graph. You don't have to worry about that if you don't know how to read that right now. Just stick with the colors, guys. Everything's color coordinated for a reason. Stick with the colors and you'll be all right. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to dive over here to the currencystrengthmeter.org. You can type that in the URL or just go to Google and type in currency strength meter. It'll bring you here. Now, these are your currency pairs. We like to trade things. We like to trade the strong versus the weak. Now, these are not in order as you see here. When you dive over into your trading platform, whichever one you may be using, today I'll be using Pocket Options, and I'll put a link down below or in the description so you can create you a demo account over there as well. So when you join up over here on this platform, you'll be ready to go. And then I'll help walk you through whatever you need to be successful trading along the side of us. So we like to trade the strong versus the weak, as you guys see here. And then I'm going to dive directly into the market. So I already have everything set up on here already. I have my 2 lines here. I have a line here and a line here. All right, guys. So this is how the strategy works. If you've been following me and paying attention, you see this red line on almost all of my strategies, right? If these candles, AKA price, is above that red line, we're going to be looking to buy. If it's below, we're going to be looking to sell. For this strategy, this indicator down here is super important. This strategy is what's going to tell us it's okay to take the trade. Let's go. These 2 lines right here, when they cross, that is telling us that it's loading, it's ready to go, but don't enter yet. We're not going to enter until everything lines up here. So we have our currencies over here. We are trading currencies. I will not be doing stocks or crypto today. I'm only sticking with currencies. These are your currency pairs right here. Now, you know, I was just talking about over here on the currency strength meter that these are not in order. So I just want to look at, let's just say NZD-USD, GJ, CAD. So I'll just look at AUD CAD. So you have AUD CAD, which is super weak. And then you have CAD that is super strong. So if I go over here, here's AUD CAD right now. It's in the same order, right? But CAD was stronger than AUD. And since CAD is stronger, we want to sell with the second currency. So the first one you would buy if it's stronger. If the second one is stronger, you're going to sell. So we've seen CAD is way stronger. And as you see right now, the market is selling. So what that means is that you want to trade with the strength. You want to trade with the currency. And that's exactly what you guys are seeing right now. So those are your currencies. I like to trade everything that is 92%. All my strategies are built for OTC, which stands for over the counter, which is the synthetic market. That market can be manipulated, guys. Don't let anybody tell you anything different. But my strategies that I built work on the OTC market. And I'll tell you guys how to avoid situations where you may feel like the market is playing games on you or the broker is trying to manipulate price and take your money. With my strategies, I have built-in caution systems where you can alleviate that to help you avoid those situations. I like to call them black holes. Over here on the right-hand side, we will be trading 2 minutes today. So I'm going to click inside my time box and I'm going to click on M3. You can click on M1, it doesn't matter. And just hit the plus if you click on M1. If you hit the M3, just hit the minus button to go to 2 minutes. And this is your dollar amount. So we are on a demo account today. So you can trade anywhere from $1 all the way up to $1,000. It's really up to you. If you don't want to trade a dollar amount, here's a cheat code, guys. If you want to just trade just by percentage, all you have to do is click on this dollar sign and you can put the percentage that you want to gain per trade. So you don't have to worry about trading the dollar amount. It's going to do it for you automatically. Then down here, so hypothetically, if we were to invest $1,000 on this trade, as you guys see right here, and if I was to win this trade, it's going to pay me out 92%. I'm going to profit $920 on that trade. If I was to take a hit or take a lesson or lose that trade, I would only lose what I invested in. So now that we have the platform overview, my candles are on hike and ash. I am on 2-minute candles. Super important to enable your timer, enable your auto scroll, and also enable your grid snap with this strategy. Now I'm going to add some pairs. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this currency right here. It's going to open that back up, and I'm just going to star the first few. The reason I'm starting is so they pop up at the top. Now, say I wanted to look at a pair and I didn't want it to pop up here. All you have to do is click on the word, and then it changes the chart back here and you see the chart back here. So this strategy is a little bit slower, guys. I don't know how many we're going to find right away. But with that being said, I will look for some and we'll see the setup, see what we can find. For those of you guys who are using the reckoning, if you're still using a reckoning right now, if you see something, let me know. And I want to go over there and actually see how this strategy lines up with that strategy as well. All right. I will be looking to take EUR NZD for a sell. So I'm going to just go ahead and take everything else off real quick. She's not ready, but I will be looking at to potentially sell her. So none of these pairs are ready just yet. And up and AUD NZD, I will be looking to possibly sell. So it looks like the NZDs are trying to do something. Up, and I will be looking to take CAD Chef. Oh, no, I won't. I would love to take CAD JPY for a sell. So those are my three that I think I'm going to focus on right now. So EUR NZD, I'm going to go back to the currency strength meter. EUR NZD is way stronger for that. And AUD NZD is way stronger. So that's a good sign for us for this trade. The beautiful thing about this trade, guys, once you find one, you can literally continue to take trades once you find that first setup. CAD JPY, and they're even. CAD JPY is super even. So we're going to be cautious on CAD JPY. All right. So let's see. We got 4 minutes, 4 seconds left on this candle. And she's not ready. She's not ready. and she's not ready. So I'm just be patient and wait. So while I'm doing that, if you guys that are on this call, if you guys have questions or comments, just feel free to unmute your mic, talk, because today is going to be a little bit different. We're waiting on our setup prior to us, the way we trade, utilizing our other strategy.
What are you waiting for it to look like?
I'm waiting for my signal for the cross. I'm waiting for
Okay.
my green line to cross through my yellow. Then I'm waiting on my indicator here to point down as well. Then I'm entering that trade for a 2-minute put. Then after that, once I get my continuation indicator, I will continue to take 2-minute trades until I get an abort mission or a caution to leave that trade.
Can you go over that again? AUD, CAD. So CAD is stronger.
Uh-huh.
So you would use that as a sell. Did I get that right?
Yes. Yep. Absolutely.
Okay. Okay. Thanks.
So tell me, what would you do if we were looking at GJ right now?
GJ would be a buy.
Absolutely. Yep. And what about NZD USD?
USD. NZD USD would be a buy.
Okay. What about EUR JPY?
Would be a sell.
Are you sure?
No.
EUR. Here's EUR. Are
Yeah.
you looking at my screen?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Here's EUR, and here is JPY.
Oh, JPY. Oh, I keep an eye on it. I don't know.
Yeah, because they're
Go that
battling.
way.
They're battling. Remember, it's tug of war. So neither one of these currencies are winning. I would more than likely I would probably just avoid this one altogether.
Okay.
What would you do with AUD JPY?
So
Sell.
Yep, absolutely. Good job, Lula. Good
Okay.
job. All right.
Thank you.
No problem. Oh yeah, there we go. We got our triangle. So who can tell me what that triangle means? That fractal. Who can tell me what that means?
caution.
Yep. And that means what?
The market is going to change.
It's
Yep.
gonna reverse.
Yep. And which way? Which way is it reversing? Up, down? I don't know.
Selling.
It's gonna be selling.
Down,
Yep.
selling.
Uh-oh. So it looks like I'm getting ready to take EUR NZD, possibly. I will not enter until I get the signal for this cross, though, guys. I have to get that signal. And this is already starting to make his move, so this is good. So we might possibly get something there as well. So if this continues to go up, this is going to be a buy. What I'm going to do is wait for the retracement to come down. And then since it's above my red line, I will wait for it to go back up and then enter this trade. But honestly, I low-key want to try to take a 2-minute continuation on those. It's not ideal because, you know, the cross is the most important thing. But I'm just wondering. But I do see that we have sellers in the market. Price is trying to respect this level over here to the left. Right here. So if price closes above there, I may enter for a call trying to take it off the continuation. Now, I am on a demo account. I just want to try this. But normally with this strategy, you want to wait for that cross and wait for your signal here. Now, I think I will enter this trade, though. So on CAD JPY, I am going to take this for a 2-minute call. I'm going to wait exactly till the next candle opens up, or I might jump in at one, actually. All right, so I took that trade. I am in CAD JPY and there for 2 minutes, and I'll see what that one does. AUD NZD is setting up. And all right, so for you new individuals that are on the call right now, when you put those currencies up there at the top, they either turn red or they're green. So this is green right now. So currently I'm winning this trade. If it was red, I will be taking a lesson, meaning my trade is not in profit. And then if you see nothing there, that means I haven't taken a trade on that asset at all. But CAD JPY may got a little pullback. I'm gonna just let it do what it do. I'm gonna see how far she wants to go up. We are at a level there, and then we do have some extra levels over here. So this is going to be very interesting. We're going to see. I'm going to mark it up to the higher one right here. Let's see if we break. Come on now. Oh, see if we break that level. We are in profit. And if we do break that level, I'm going to potentially enter this for another 2-minute call. Now, I do see that I'm highly extended in this trade, though. That's why it's super important to really take it off that cross, because we could have caught every single one of these candles versus trying to take it at the end of the move, because it could reverse. So this next trade that I do enter, it is going to be very cautious. But if we close above that level where she's at right now, I will enter that trade. And the reason I knew to draw that level there is because, remember, guys, we're using those triangles. So we have another level. We're about to break that level as well. So I will re-enter this trade. Let me go ahead and drop this. So here's the other real short level. And then I'm going to mark up the next one. I got 4. Let me get ready to take this real quick. So we're about to clear our first trade, guys. That's a clear. And I did enter the next one as well. Here's my line. And our next level is up here. So now, since I have my lines on the chart, I really want to see what price is doing. As you guys can see, price is really stuck in between those two lines right there. Got a little pullback. Now she's stuck in there. Like I said, this was a risky trade because she's already super extended, but I did want to try to take that one. And we got that first one. And I will take this one as well. Getting ready to take AUD NZD for a put, but I needed to break this level before I enter. And it looks like she's getting ready to. All right. Looks like she's getting ready to break that level. So if she does break that level, my next level where I'm looking to take my trade to is literally down here where this wick of that triangle is. So I will potentially look to take her for a 2-minute sell. So it looks like we might take a lesson here. You still got a little time, but we might take a lesson. And I will not, I could, but I'm not going to re-enter that trade. I want the setup. Now, I'm getting ready to get across here. Ideally, for the perfect entry, you want to enter the trade, you get the cross, but you want to enter when this is crossing down. This is already down, so this is telling me that she's already oversold and that she may be ready to turn around. As you see, the buyers are coming into the market right here. That's why you have that wick pushing the candle back up. But I'm going to take it anyway, because if she closes below that level like she is, we just came back in profit on CAD JPY, guys. Do you see that? We're back in profit. If we do, I'm going to enter another one. Boom, I'm in there for another trade, guys. We cleared that one, and I am also taking that one as well. So I'm in AUD NZD and CAD JPY up, and I'm not entering that one. So I am in CAD JPY for an additional trade. Now look, we took that trade here. We took it back here. We have our lines. We know where price wants to go to. All of our candles are still green, so we can take every single trade still. Every single one. Now, AUD NZD, I don't know. Like, we answered, we got that, but she was already oversold. This was not the ideal entry. The ideal entry, like I stated prior, was to enter the trade when we got that cross and then when we got the dip. So the dip happened before the cross. So when that happens, you do not enter the trade. Actually, we might clear this though. Might. We'll see. So I think I'm just going to finish off on CAD JPY, see how many of these we can clear before we get an abort mission. This is good. That's good. Oh, man. You're just not ready. Not yet. So if we get a retracement, if we get a good pullback, I will possibly enter this trade. Both of our trades are in profit, guys. AUD NZD just continue to drop. So if this closes below this level as well, I will enter the trade. If we clear this, I think we're 2-0 right now. That'd be 4-0 already for the morning. I think that's a really good time to stop trading. The East trade is at $1,920. Realistically, if you guys were trading this on your live account, you would possibly be done. So we cleared. I'm about to enter again. Boom. Just cleared that trade. I entered again. AUD NZD. We're going to clear. I do have a caution. I do, but I'm still going to take this trade. And the reason I'm taking this trade because I believe not only that she's going to continue to drop, but we still have a little bit more room here for this to go ahead and come down. We did draw our level here based off of our triangle here where price had a level. Now this level, what happens when price hits that level, it hit that level, it went all the way up. So let's see if price right now is going to respect this level and continue to go down, or if it's going to close above this level and potentially go back up. Now, my other caution in this system with this candle right here, if this candle closes above this line, my green line, I am done trading. I am done. I walk away. I'm okay. I abort mission. I find another setup if we look for another setup. This right here is a, it's red, it's green. We're back in profit on CAD JPY. Let's go. Let's go. CAD JPY was definitely our baby. She still might be. This candle right here is looking like it's creating a higher high. That is a good sign. If that candle was to close below this candle, me personally, I'm done trading that candle because that's telling me that the momentum for that currency is starting to get weak, is starting to die down. So I just wouldn't trade. Wouldn't trade that pair. Let's see if we close you out. We got a little bit more time. Are we going to close you out in profit? Are we going to close you out? You're battling. What are you going to do? We got 12 seconds there, 10 seconds here. Let's see what happens. Pull back. I think we're going to take a lesson on this, guys. I think we are. Oh, let's go. Oh, boom. We cleared. All right. And AUD, NZD, I had no doubt we're going to take a lesson on there. That's fine. But anyway, that right there is a demonstration of the 2-minute dominator. I think we dominated the market this morning with this strategy. Like I said, guys, like I stated before, every single one of my strategies are fire. It just depends on the type of trader that you are. As you guys can see with that trading style, it took a little bit more time. We allotted a little bit more time to clear those trades, but we were able to really clear those trades very easy. The only one we really had to worry about was that last trade that spiked us into profit at the last second. I'll tell you this, I'd rather spike into profit at the last second versus spiking out of profit at the last second. And then that other trade that I took a lesson on, I seen it, but I took it anyway. It was a riskier trade. And the reason I lost that trade, that's why it's important to learn when you take a lesson. But I knew from the beginning I shouldn't have entered that trade because my bottom indicator already made the decision to move, but my entry, my signal didn't come till much later. So what happened was that caused divergence in the market. And what that means is one indicator was telling me to buy while the other one was telling me to sell. I'm sorry. Yeah, absolutely. But then when it turned the other way, when I should have been selling, the other indicator was telling me to buy. So it's backwards, but it's okay. It happens. Anyway, it's your brother KLBK. That today was me demonstrating to you guys the 2-minute dominator, and we're done in a matter of minutes. We started at 8:30. We talked a lot in the beginning. It's about to be 9:15. We made our money. We were able to secure our profits. Some individuals learn something new as well. So to all you guys who've tuned in from Facebook, YouTube, IG, and you guys on here as well, just stay here. But I truly appreciate every single one of you guys for tuning in to these live sessions. You guys can go over to my YouTube channel to watch the videos that I put out on my strategies. So you don't have to wait on me. Go over there to the channel and study up. Now, if you don't have the strategy, you're definitely going to have to purchase the strategy so you can get the settings, and then you can get a little bit more. I'll tell you guys this, everything that we do, I don't put all in these videos. Before we start, there's more sauce that's given about each and every single one of these strategies in the beginning and also at the end. So you guys are seeing the surface level to each one of these strategies. But anyway, it's your boy KLBK. Salute. Go to the website, get your strategy, join up with us, join my free Telegram, and let's get it. We out of here. Everything is color coordinated. Candles underneath the red line. That's 1. Red on top. That's 2. Red down here. That is 3. 1, 2. That's 3. Those are the 3 signals to enter the trade to let you know that it's a good trade. But what we look for, our entry point when taking these trades, is our cross right here.